Hey, this is Jack from Alphacharts with a stocks to watch video. Today is June 16th, 2024. Before we get started, this video is for informational purposes only. These are not recommendations to buy, sell, or hold any stock or security. And I may hold positions in some of the equities mentioned. Your time frame and risk tolerance. All right. Thank you for watching the video. If you haven't done so yet, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is Father's Day, by the way. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Yeah, so um like and subscribe. It's Father's Day. I'm a dad for me. Thanks. Also, if you haven't done so yet, find me on X at Alphacharts365. You can follow me there as well. It's free to follow me. I share all kinds of information all week long. I also offer a subscriber group. It is literally gives you what a full service subscriber group would give you, but for a fraction of the price. It's only $10. You're getting information all week long in multiple ways to keep you engaged and hopefully in the best names in the market. We just dropped our special market weekend review for subscribers this morning. It was about 40 minutes today. Yeah, it was 40 minutes today. Again, it's very in depth. It goes into what's leading the markets, tons of names for again people to decide on their own whether they want to put their money at risk or not. Don't tell you to buy or sell, but I do give like focus lists. And then I also give annotated charts where I would consider some of the best setups for the week and share them as well. So again, it's for $10 a month. There's no contracts or anything like that. Give it a try for 1 month, see if you like it. If it jives with you, do it a second month, right? If it doesn't, you get to cancel. Super easy. All right. So let's get back into the charts. We got the SPY doing what it's doing, looking good. Let's get into some of the best names out there. All right, so Palantir looks really good. I like that it's above the VWAP from this gap and above all the moving averages, which are starting to move higher. This was, you want to see an annotation, right? So this was an annotation for subscribers. It's one that I'm currently in. I still think it's actionable. But you see, we had, on 6-9, this was my original note. And I felt like you could get even a better entry here on 6-10, lower risk. And so that's where I entered on 6-10. I still think we have a fairly low risk situation in this name. So yeah, it looks good. Palantir. Here's CrowdStrike. I am not in CrowdStrike, but it looks really good. Looking for maybe a pullback into the moving averages. That is something that I would consider. Again, it is a liquid leader. CRDO has been super, super strong. The nice thing is what it's doing is it's telling us exactly where the sellers are, right? Sellers are right there. We'll call it 29.75 or so. So if we could get to $30, yeah, CRDO looks really good. It may need a little bit more time, but that's what I'm looking for. Maybe around 29.90, something like that. If I want to be involved in this name, I'm not sure I want to be involved in the name, but that is where the sellers are. So anything above that, I think we're in pretty good shape. Kava, I've been in this one with subscribers for a while. Really, we've been talking about it since here, and we got long again here, and there's all kinds of notes in here somewhere. Did I get rid of all those notes? I had a bunch of notes in here. I don't know. But there's a bunch of notes. We've been in this one forever. I'm back in it again. I did sell some in here, I believe. And I did rebuy it a little bit. I do like the trend is still there, right? And so it's giving us a low risk, pretty good reward type of entry, right? We've gone sideways now, which, you know, um, really we've gone sideways. So as long as this, this area right there holds, we'll call that $84 or so, $85 holds. No reason why we can't be long Kava, right? That looks pretty good. Next up is Apple, right? The mega caps are looking great. One, again, me and subscribers have been in this one since the breakout. It's been really, really good to us, and it continued higher. So it's making a flag here. If this flag can pan out, I think Apple can, and then breaks. I think that looks really, really good. It might need, again, a little bit more time, but overall looks great. Microsoft, again, the mega caps, that's where it's at. You know exactly where the sellers are, right there, 443-ish or so. So if 444, we'll call it, if it gets above 444, I think we'd be along Microsoft, right? I mean, this is an inverse head and shoulders base, right? There's a breakout. I mean, what more are you looking for, right? That's what now you're looking on ways to get into it, right? This was really, the entry was right here, right? If you got in 433, that would have been nice. Now you're looking for another way in. So that's Microsoft. Here's Meta. Meta is not quite as clean, right? But you could maybe make the argument that, that's an area that we can kind of do something with. Little flag right there. Maybe, really like it above that area. But if it can base out here, that looks pretty good. Google, again, I'm going through the mega caps here because that's what's working. Big up. There's your sideways motion above, 180-ish. Yeah, it looks great, right? Well, what can we want above 180? That's awesome. Amazon. Here's Amazon. Let's go to a weekly chart on this one. I still have a position. By the way, this was my thoughts on Amazon. Again, I'm sharing with you guys a lot of what I share with subscribers today, especially these notes. Again, if this can help you, check out my subscriptions. $10 a month. Like I said, we all can afford $10 a month, right? That's like less than one Chipotle meal. Per month. It's like per month. Anyway, it's a good deal. And just the focus list is, I think, worth its weight in gold. It will pay for a subscription easily, right? Anyway, the point is, if this breaks out here, this is a gigantic base in Amazon. It looks fantastic. And the last one I'm going to share with y'all is Shark Ninja. I mean, on the weekly, it looks pretty strong. Again, I'm sharing a lot today. I'm sharing a lot of things from the focus list, even from a week or two ago. But this setup really is still intact, and I think it's still extremely, extremely valid. I may change the stop a little bit at this point because now I think I like the 70, this 23 day is my stop. But either way, nice consolidation going on in Shark Ninja. And I just think that we can actually tighten up this trade a little bit and make it even better, right? It still just went sideways. So, and that happens. Sometimes, our timing isn't perfect. I don't like this bar right there, but I love how it came right back. So, yeah, so I was, got out of it right here. But now that it's coming right back, may have to get back in this one. We'll have to see. And they make great products, right? We all have them, and they keep pulling, new products in. They are the leader in that trend. And listen, all these new houses, people are moving, they're buying things like vacuums and the foodie, which I have, which is great. They have a new ice cream machine, which is great. Anyway, we don't care about that stuff, but they have a lot of new products. They are the leader in that small appliance sector. All right, that's what I got for you. 10 names. I think that some of them are really, really actionable. Hope that you guys could make some money off of them. If you do make money off of them, check out my education pro system, right? I hate to call it system, education product. Again, sharing so much more information than just that with y'all. So hope y'all are doing well. Take care. Have a great day.